There are close to 2.1 million kids here in the United States that cannot go to college and get a good education because of their legal status, in which the DREAM Act takes place.
The DREAM Act, for those who don't know, quickly, what is that?
The DREAM Act would help the children of undocumented or unauthorized immigrants who are here in the United States, who have been here for more than 5 years. They have graduated from high school. They have to meet certain requirements. They can enlist in the military. They can go to college. And they can meet other requirements, passing background checks, having good moral character, in order to eventually, over a 13-year period, citizenship.
Do you think kids should have the right to go to college and study despite of their status?
I strongly believe that, work with all types of students, American citizens, undocumented students, students who have legal status here but they weren't born here, all types of students. And actually, we're not allowed to ask what their status is in the country, so I really don't usually know.
There are about 5,000 illegal immigrants that cross the border into the United States each day, and which are also kids under the age of 18.
My opinion is that it is good. I'm a strong supporter of it. Just from my perspective and the students I work with and the amazing talent and just intelligence that I feel is going to a waste when these students are denied access to college. And it's not that they're denied access, but it's just made so difficult and so expensive for them to pursue a college education.
On average, college graduates earn about $1 million more than a college dropout does in a lifetime.
For students who they're undocumented, they still manage to get a lot of private scholarships, which is possible if you're an exceptional undocumented student. You can go to college. You can go to an Ivy League college, full ride if you're exceptional. And what happens to those students is they graduate. They can have a higher degree. They can have like a master's degree and be very talented. Or maybe they got a nursing degree. They're out there. They're experienced. They're educated. But they can't pursue their career. They have their education, anything with it.
The DREAM Act was recently introduced on March 26, 2009, but it failed to pass on December 18, 2010. The final vote for it was 55-41.
The DREAM Act stands for the Development, Relief, and Education for Alien Minors.
Tick, 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 tick.
Washington observers fully understanding precisely what's in the bill, what it entails, and what it means for downstream immigration numbers or policy. Nominally, what it's going to do is allow a person who checks into high school, gets a GED equivalent, who meets certain age parameters and residency parameters to get non-immigrant or what is a temporary status. And what non-immigrant is like a visitor visa kind of status, but which can be renewed indefinitely. So you can get this if you meet certain educational parameters, get a GED, if you enroll in college, and it's nominally designed to try to encourage people to go to school to get an education. You don't have to graduate from college, or you can enroll in the military. The idea is that you retain this conditional status. If you graduate, then you can get your green card, and then of course you can petition for relatives and start the chain migration phenomenon going on at a considerable cost and expense to American taxpayers.